Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to increase your PayPal limits. So let's just get right into it. The first method is by increasing your spending limit. Do this by first logging into your PayPal account and then click on activity or history, and then you click on increase spending limits. Now you got to follow the prompts to increase your spending limits. The second method is to contact PayPal customer support. Call PayPal customer support at the number right there. And then you can follow the prompts to speak with a representative, and then you have to request to increase your PayPal limit and follow the representative's instructions. So also requires to increase your PayPal limit because your account must be verified. You can have a verified account. You ask to the channel.